Now we are going to talk about customer master mask change and creation. So the transaction code is XD99, or you can go through mass. So let me show how you can go through mass. You go to MASS, and here you select suppose KNA1, and that will take you to customer master. So but we will be doing XD99, and here first we will show how to change. So suppose the change the general data. Okay, so let's go to our table. Okay, the table entry is, we'll create a new session, and we go to SC16. Okay, and KNA1. Okay, and here we will just execute, and imagine there is a requirement that all the customers that have Tesla motors or whatever, their Tesla motors got bought by suppose Toyota motors or whatever, and their name too needs to be changed. So what we are going to do, we'll select everything like these things, and also they want to change their search term also. So here what we are going to do, we click on this fields. Okay, and here if you see, this is name too, and there is a search term. This is a search term. Yes, this is the one, and we'll execute. And here we populate the customer numbers. We execute, and here you can see all this. Now what we are going to do is, now we will go back. We'll just put all this customer number, and we'll see what are the changes being done. So suppose this one would be Toyota Motors, and search term would be ESLA. Save. Okay, and then you click on this perform mass change, and you save, and we will see whether the magic is happening or not. So these are the two fields. If you think, these will be getting updated. So now it's updating. It will take some time. Okay, sometimes if you see, this gets updated, not this one, because that's the continuation that happens. Okay, so there's a reason behind it happens like this. So now click on this. Still updating. Let's see the where is the clock. This is an S4 HANA system, so you might find it's faster, but based on your, the same thing you can do in an ECC system. This transaction code XD99 has been there for ages. So if you see, this can be deleted, her status can be deleted, some of this could not be updated, some could. Okay, so if you see, it has finished updating, and most of them updated, some didn't because it has problems. If you see, some got added here and all those things, but if we notice which one didn't get updated is this one, which has problems. Okay, so now this was anything that was updated on the general data. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to go and update some company code data, or first we will create company code data, and then we will update. So the creation table is KNB1. Sorry, KNB1. And now here we will just put this, and we'll try to get some good companies here. So imagine we have 1006. So 1085, suppose. Okay, it's good. So here we will try to create this one. We'll try to emulate 226, and we'll try to create for another vendor. So we'll go here, we'll execute, and we'll click on this, and here is this, and we will populate. What was it? 226 was Zgen, and we'll say this also Zgen, try to create a bunch. Let's see if it works. So now we're going to click on this and we click save. Okay, so if you see, if I go back and go to KNB1 and we populate with this, if you see all the zgen has been created. So wonderful. Okay, so you see the so many customer records just created got created in a matter of seconds. So if you had to do it manually, it would have taken probably 10-15 minutes. It's a lot of time and a lot of manual labor and a lot of chances of making mistakes. So this was the vendor master, not vendor, customer master company code data creation. Now what we're going to do is we will update some data. So we go to KNB1 and now here suppose I want to update the terms. Okay, we'll try to update terms and account memo. Okay, so I'll click on this and where is the term, field term here, and I'll execute. And here we will populate the same vendors, okay, because we have it there. And here what we'll do, we'll bring in the term. And so what I'll do is deselect and we'll say term, and I'll populate what more as account memo k1, and we click on this. Now what we have to do is we will change this, all this. So if you know, you cannot change company code whenever the color is blue like this. These are primary case, you cannot change these things. You can change now. So what I'm going to do, I'll change it to 001, and the count memo I'll put ABCDEF. Okay, and we'll just populate this and we'll save it, and we'll see whether it updates or not. So if you see, everything is getting updated in a blink of, it's faster, so fast. So everything got updated. So this was for customer master change and creation. Now what we going to do is we are going to do for a customer master purchasing data. Okay, so let's see whether there is any purchasing partner function, dunning data, or probably sales data. That's what we check. Okay, uh, so now we'll execute. So we will just execute, and this is knvv. So we'll again go to this table knvv, and we'll try to find some vendors. Let's see, we'll get all these vendor numbers, and first we'll try to create. Okay, so we'll go and create this, and let's find from what we'll create. So we'll create with y, this one. So we'll just copy paste from here, and it would be y 000, y 000. The distribution channel would be y1, and the division y1. So we'll create. Now we are creating. You say, yeah, oops, wait, something wrong. I think, yeah, something is wrong because I created. So let's go XT99 again. We'll see customer master sales data, execute, data records to be created. We'll put this population like this. And, uh, distribution channel would be, I think, Y1. Yes, Y1. So Y1, and we put Y1. And here, customer, no, not this one. We are going to create some from here. Let's see. We execute. Hmm. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. So let's stop transaction. So there is probably I'll do XD99 and I'll try to do only one. So let's go customer master sales data, data records to be created. We do this one. Sales organization is this, and this is Y1, and this is Y1. And for customer, we just populate one. Let's see, this customer will take, and we populate this. There's a lot of records, so there's lots of records on the sales side. That's why it's blowing up. Okay, so let's not change it. Let's go and change the data. Let's not create. So let's go here. We'll go here. We'll search with KNVV, and we will try to suppose change the terms, incoterms. Okay, so KNVV, this is the one. We'll go execute, and we'll see sales organization. Probably I'll put this 1000 if we have any. Okay, now there's only one. Probably I will not put any sales organization, and I'll execute. Oops, there's only one. So let's see which one does have a bunch. So let's populate all this now, and we will click on this and we'll save it. And now here we will just populate some incoterms. I don't know, CIF. Oops, again I made a mistake, so you shouldn't do this because it will try to create a variant. So now what I'm going to do is, in the meantime, create a new session, XD99, and in the meantime I'll go and select KNVV. We see it's done. Oh, it updated. Changes have been made. What it did it do any changes? So let's see. uh, let's go here and we populate these, we check this value, and what particular field I changed is the field name was incoterms, so it didn't update anything. So now it would update. So now I click on save. So here we go here, go to settings, format list, choose field, and corner, and inco terms, select this. See, all these things are changing now. Some will fail because there's some problem. Yes, some failed, some didn't. Okay, so this shows that it has all got updated. So that's everything on the master customer mass changes. This is very useful, and I'm pretty sure you will be using it on a regular day-to-day basis.